If Canva is showing an animation error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. Whether your design is freezing, animations are not loading properly, or Canva just won't preview your project the way it should, these steps can help you get everything working again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Canva fixes and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, try the quickest fix, which is refreshing the page. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and R to reload Canva. A lot of the time, a simple refresh clears temporary glitches and gets the animation editor responding again. If you are in the middle of editing, don't panic, because Canva usually saves your work automatically. After refreshing, check whether the animation error is gone and whether your design now previews correctly. If the issue is still there, the next step is to reduce the number of animations in your design. Sometimes Canva struggles when a project has too many animated elements all happening at once. Go through your page and remove any extra animations that are not really necessary. Keep the design simple and clean, especially if you are using multiple moving text boxes, elements, or transitions. In many cases, simplifying the animation setup makes Canva run much smoother and fixes the error immediately. Now let's move to another common cause, which is heavy or overly long pages. If your design has too many elements on one page, Canva can become slow or unstable when applying animations. Try shortening the page by deleting any long, heavy, or unnecessary content. Remove duplicate elements, cut down oversized graphics, and make the layout lighter overall. This can help Canva process the animation properly and reduce loading problems during preview and export. If none of that works, the next fix is to clear your browser cache. Over time, cached files can build up and cause weird glitches inside web apps like Canva. To do this, open your browser menu, usually the three dots in the top corner, then go to Settings. From there, open Privacy, then select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you choose Cached Images and Files, then click Clear. After that, reopen Canva and test your animation again. A clean browser cache often solves display and performance issues that seem random at first. If you are still getting the animation error after trying all 4 steps, it can also help to close Canva completely, open it again, and try your design in a fresh session. Sometimes the browser just needs a full reset to stop the glitch from repeating. You can also try another browser if the problem continues, because certain extensions or browser settings may interfere with Canva animations. So to recap, the main fixes are: refresh Canva with Ctrl and R, reduce extra animations, shorten heavy pages, and clear your browser cache. These simple steps solve many Canva animation errors and can save you a lot of frustration. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.